Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to properly make chocolate-covered strawberries. First, select the freshest, firmest strawberries you can find, ensuring they have their green stems intact. Next, wash them gently and, this is crucial, dry them completely. Any water will cause your chocolate to seize. Finally, prepare your workspace with your chosen chocolate, a double boiler, and parchment paper for setting. Now, let's melt our chocolate. Opt for a high-quality chocolate, ideally with at least 60% cocoa solids, for the best flavor and texture. Use a double boiler to melt it gently, never directly overheat, as this can burn it. Stir continuously until it's completely smooth and reaches a temperature of about 90 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a perfect dipping consistency. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to dip. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the warm chocolate. Gently twist the strawberry to ensure an even, beautiful coating, then lift it, allowing any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl. Carefully place your freshly dipped strawberries onto parchment paper, giving them space to set without touching. Once dipped, let your chocolate-covered strawberries set at room temperature for about 20 minutes until the chocolate is firm. For longer enjoyment, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. While they are best enjoyed fresh, within 1 to 2 days, proper storage helps maintain their deliciousness. Now you have perfectly made chocolate-covered strawberries to savor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.